Hello affiliates marketer. So in this video I'm gonna introduce an awesome software, a video creating AI that will generate 1,000 of videos. You have to just insert your article and your video is ready to publish on YouTube. In recent times we all know that Google sucks for affiliate marketers. It's become harder to affiliate through websites, but there is option on YouTube. You can just create video and put the link on your video description and people will click it and buy it and you will get affiliate commission. But we're not a professional video editor or video creator, so what's the solution? So here's the solution. Beedeo, it's called Beedeo.io. It's a video making AI software that will create video in just a seconds. So it's called Beedeo.io. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create, how you can get the software for a lifetime deals, for best deals. So as you can see on my display, I'm on the software website. So it's called Beedeo.io and you can see how it works, an example result, but let me introduce some of its features. So it's, you have to just insert your articles. You can copy your website articles. If you have a website, you can just copy the article and paste it on the tool, and the tool will create a AI generated video that is qualityful, highly qualityful. So let me introduce some feature. Input your items in one click. So you have to just manually input your RSS feed. You can add your website RSS feed, or you can add them manually. You can add article manually. Then you have to just configure some option. I will show it on this video, and then it will also generate video thumbnails. You don't have to create thumbnails for videos, so it's a easy process. It's a lifesaver software, I might say, for affiliate YouTubers. So it will show images and your article into your videos, so you can customize the videos if you want to upgrade, or if you don't like the video quality or the videos, you can add relevant videos as well. But this AI will do all the things. So where's the deal? If I saw the pricing, it's $67 for one license key for one PC. But wait, you will get this software in 50% off in just $39 for lifetime deals. So here's the deals. So it's from Delify.com and it's called Beedeo, and they are selling their lifetime deals in just $39. And if you buy from their website, they are charging $67. So that's 2x. But you can buy from Delify, and the link will be in my description. So you can just click on the link and you will get extra 20% off if you buy from my link. It's an affiliate, it will be an affiliate link, so you will get off and I will get some of the commission from it. So it's an easy process. So let me show you the process. You can see that is $39 only for a lifetime deal. And if I introduce with you the subscription, then it will be a one lifetime deal for one PC, but you can change a PC once a month. So after a month you can change the PC and you can use the keys on a new device. So there will be no limits to use. You can create unlimited videos and there will be no monthly fees. Of course, it's a lifetime deal. So you can run it on Windows, but also for Mac user it will coming soon, so they will announce it very soon, because I have talked with them and they are just configuring, and they are just configuring for the Mac software and Mac, and it will be released very soon. And you will get support and updates included. And if you buy from Delify, they will offer 30 days money back guarantee. So let's say you don't like the software, or you don't need the software after 1 month, you can claim your money in within a month. So you can use it, you can just buy it, use it, or you can explore the features. If you like it, you can keep it, or if you don't like it, just go to the Delphi server, tell them that I want my money back, and you will get your money back. So your redeem code must be redeemed within 60 days, so you have to redeem the code within 60 days. And let's see the how you can process. So here's a video. If you can see, you have to just, it's a software, so you have to just download the software, and you the key you will get, you have to just insert the keys, and just you have to run the web software. So here you can see it's the interface will be like this way: import from article from RSS feed. So you know, your website if has RSS feed, then you can just paste your URL here and RSS feed here, and you can import all of your article into videos, or you can just go to add articles and create manually. So I would say that you should you should create add article manually, because like you will choose a niche for your YouTube channel, and you can just customize your article to make it more like catchy call to action and the other things you might say. So here you can say, if we go to that you can add your RSS feed like this, and that you can just import them, and boom, here you can see all the articles of your website will be exported here, will be imported here, and you can just have to select a configure and tap to create video, and this soft AI will create a video within a seconds. So let's see the process. As you can see, you can also like import your video. If you have a specific video, product video, you can just upload here on this website, or you can just download from Pixels, Pixabay, and other relevant copyright free videos. Download this website. I will link them below on my description, you will find them. So you can add your product image as well. You can also add voiceover if you have, or if you have your personal voiceover. So I would recommend you to use a human generated voice, or you can use if you want to get monetized on YouTube, or you don't wanna, so then use AI generated voice. It's a custom made. So you can also like import your, you can make your with video title. You can select the resolution. As you can see, there's three types of resolution: is 480p, 720p, and 1080p. So you will go to full HD 1080p. Then we're saying you can also select videos manually. You can also show images background. You can also add your images on the background of a video on BigPay. You can also start a video like a intro or something that will attract the user, attract the viewers. So here you can see, you can also customize the uh, caption fonts. You can make it eye-catchy, you can make it fancy as well. So you can also create a thumbnail like this one. You can add your text here. You can change the font. You can change the images. You can like make it a clickbait type images as well. So you don't need other software like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or you can use Canva for customize thumbnails. But I would recommend you to use these thumbnails because they are also look pretty well. So it will create a video within some minutes, and as you can see, So all video are created, and let's see a sample video, right? So here is a simple video.